my tail light stopped working, so he unbolted the tray, chopped some wires, threw it in the bin. Now we're gonna install a golf course. And if that doesn't make any sense to you, just stay tuned. I don't know. I'm trying to work out how all this wiring is gonna work. I think it's everything. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's not terrible.
No, it's not bad at all.
The only issue is, yeah, we're gonna have to lift it quite high.
Yeah, the problem is I'm short.
Yeah.
If you go at the back, you should be right. Do we want to, is it worth taking off these loops or not really?
I don't think we can.
We can't.
Oh, right.
Hello, Mr. Big Muscles. Would you ever help us out for a second?
Sorry.
It's not as heavy as we thought it was going to be, but it'll still be much easier with enough people.
Is that why you call me Mr. Big Muscle?
Yep.
You want me to lift something?
Yep.
Hello.
Hello.
Alright, so the plan is because we can't like drag it or anything, we have to lift it straight up and back. And the plan is to drop this side on the ground and then we'll fold it up against the wall just behind you. Okay, so now drop this side on the ground. And
Is that going to clear the box?
go down. We're good.
Beautiful. Yeah. Yo. You want to give it a quick clean?
Yeah. I don't know what that is. Surely.
We may have just found the fuel door, folks.
Oh my! Yes!
Yo, what
Yes!
happened? Did it just squeeze out?
Yeah,
Clean that bitch up.
that's for the fuel door.
Do I
Yo.
any of the wiring while we're here? Or?
Probably should.
Make sure I don't sit on the diff. Oh, whoa, whoa. Hold on. Oh, I can see the diff moving. Oh,
Wait, Mello, stop. Now go.
bruh.
Okay.
What do you mean the elbow trigger? That's clear on your side?
Yep, I guess so.
Are we over?
Keep coming forward.
What's that on?
Hang on.
Go your way a little bit, yeah? What's it sitting on anyone?
Okay, we need to take those body blocks out.
What we're doing now, Max, this is the tub that's managed to go on.
Yep, so we're just bolting on the tub now. It actually went on fairly simply, which is nice. Bit of a change from what we're used to.
Yes.
I'm gonna need a tool to finish that one, but
Next step after this is the golf course.
yeah,
Should be good for him.
golf course is coming.
Pipe and poop.
I'm going to need a tool for that. I'm gonna need someone to help.
Do what? What do you want me to do?
Tighten, tighten,
Tighten?
tighten.
Tighten?
Tighten quick.
Yo.
Do you want more than one bolt in or just one?
We only got one. Also, if anyone wants to take Max's fuel, just cut that line, I guess.
I'll grab the fuel cap. I'll grab the fuel cap.
Oh, where is it? The secret.
No, it's been sitting by the front door for the past year.
Oh, the little thing on it too.
Yeah, it's got the little
Wait,
tag.
why did you have it? Oh,
So
wait, that
it
was
won't
an old-
fall off.
Yeah, yeah.
It is amazing.
Go. You'll never have to worry about putting it anywhere again.
Now I can just unscrew it.
Yeah?
No, don't shut it yet.
Shut it!
We'll wait for Max to put that on in case it doesn't go on.
Oh, I forgot. We meant to put that on first.
No, just fit this one. We'll find a bolt for that.
Yeah.
Yo!
Max, go open it.
Go pop
Works.
it. Go pop it.
Wait, what?
Yo!
Yo!
I pulled it too much. It actually opened. We're doing the test of the tail lights. See if this entire mission is actually a success. Because that is why we started this journey.
Oh yeah, this was to fix the tail lights, and also we're gonna
The tail lights.
have a little golf
Oh, I did
course.
that a while ago. All
Alright.
right, Jared, do the first test.
Headlight moment,
Yep, lights are on.
brake moment. Ready?
Yep, brake lights are on.
Nice, nice.
Hazards.
Hazard. I'll turn off the lights for now, because that beeping is annoying.
Yep, hazard lights. They're good.
Yo! Is that all?
Fucking reverse.
There is reverse, but do you have the key?
Do I? Good. No.
Okay,
Oh, the key's in the.
we'll assume they work.
No, the key's over here. Get the key quick.
Wait, where is it?
And then.
Oh. All right, lads, we got the key. Let's whack her in. Oh wait, I forgot you have to put the foot down there.
Brake. We hug. Yo! Yep, that's epic.
Yo, reverse lights are working. Oh, rightio guys. Now that we've got the tub installed, sorted out all the electronics, and to keep the memory of the grass mud flaps from the old tray, it's time to set up the golf course.
Yo!
The problem is all in your backswing, it's plain to see. You hit the ball much further if you swing more easily. If you will let me show you, I can help you break 90. You'll find that golf is such an easy game. Be sure to keep your left arm straight, keep your right elbow in. Flex your knees, bend at the waist, and keep the ball beneath your chin. Now stick your butt out, keep your head down, but most of all, relax and you'll find golf is such an easy game.
Right, folks, the issue is our glue isn't sticking. We've got a little cutout though. Made a cutout. So then this will go up the ramp, straight in.
Be daily-esque and crush that driver. Concentrate just like Tiger, and you'll find golf is such an easy.
All right, come get a close up of this, folks. This is
Did
good.
you want to use the holes? Hole saw, hole saw,
No,
hole
please.
saw. It's under the MDF. Oh,
No, please don't.
yes, bring it, bring it, bring it quick. Jared's botching it.
Jared.
Look out.
Oh my gosh.
I need you to hold it. Where's the hole? Oh, like there-ish.
I think,
Just push the.
Hang on, make sure it's straight.
but we need the
Hang
green
on,
bit.
make sure it's straight.
It is.
See how that side looks?
Yeah, that's because you didn't cut that properly.
Don't worry.
You just didn't put it back straight.
Okay, so
Right.
pretty much
My
there.
hand is so close.
You're good. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh,
Bro, but we need the green bit for the base of it.
do we?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know about that. She'll be right.
Ooh.
Oh, bro, it's just trying to run away. Okay,
yeah.
now we won't do that.
I'll do it.
All the fibers are getting caught in it.
All while swinging, and then you will see that Golf is such an easy game.
So guys, we've got the golf course set up. It may just be a putt-putt thing right now, but don't worry. In the future, we're gonna be expanding full driving range off the back of the ute as far as the eyes can see. No limits where we go. All right, now that everything's completed, I think we need to go for a test run. Let me just give my caddy a call, see where he's at. Hey Bailey, you there? Yeah, mate, it's on, it's on. Get ready, get the clubs, get the balls, and get out here. It's go time.
Someone order a caddy? I'm here, Max.
G'day, mate. You mind passing me the putter?
Yeah, mate, no worries.
Oh, not that one. Get that out of here.
Is it the wrong
give me the
putter?
putter, mate. Oh, bloody beautiful. This one, this is what I need.
Take the shot, Max.
Time to line up, boys.